Let's talk lighting on the Tundra. Changed my headlights and taillights, and let's go through them. So I started with the Morimoto XB headlights. Now the ones I went with are a full LED plug-and-play set. It's got the amber DRL, Osram 5000K lumens, and it looks amazing day and night. People can definitely see me now. It's got a sequential turn LED signal. You can pick this in amber or white. I went with amber just to make it look a little bit different. It's got a unique startup display that kind of sequentially goes through the lights and then back and forth. Whether your Tundra came with the LED or halogen DRLs, Morimoto's got a solution for you, and it's truly plug and play. For my side mirrors, I went with what they call the GMC tow mirrors. Whenever your lights are on, it's got this amber LED light right on the side that helps anyone see that you're coming. It's also got the amber LED turn signal, which I absolutely love. Helps out when people are in your blind spot. Alright, for the rears, I went with some Spider full LED taillights. I got these on Amazon. I'll put the model number up, but they're awesome. The turn signal stands out, and when they're lit up, people can definitely see you. Alright, because I don't tow that much, I wanted to use the hitch mount for something usable. I went with the Diode Dynamics hitch mount full LED light. What I love about it is when you hit the brakes, it actually flashes a couple of times. Gets the attention of the people behind you, helps you avoid accidents. Alright, inside the cabin was an easy replacement of all the light bulbs to LED white bright lights. I did the footwell, the visors, and the top two overhead lights. When you open the door at night, everything is so bright in here, you can definitely see what's going on. Avoid the ninja attack.